This is the Cutluxe 12-inch brisket knife, and I figured I'd check it out, and then I'm going to slice some brisket here in just a minute. Not sure how to get into this thing. Really nice box. It's magnetic. I like that. It's cool. Thank you card. Product review. Instructions and information about the Cutluxe line. A cleaning wipe. And this is what we showed up for. A desiccant packet. Nope, that's not it. All right, so this is the Cutluxe hardwood handle, steel. It's beautiful. It even made a nice sound. Did y'all hear that? Let's try it again. Ooh. Cool. So I'm going to cut some brisket with this and let you know what I think. It is extremely sharp. It's got a nice weight on it, and I like the aft portion of the knife having a little more weight to it. Thought I'd show you this. This is the blade is made out of high carbon 1.4116 German steel, which is common in very high-end knives. And it's got a 56 plus Rockwell hardness. That's cool just being in here. And then the handle is pakkawood. So first, let me say, don't make fun of my brisket. This was a serious experiment. I changed everything. So I have no idea what to expect off of this one. I think it's turned out really well. Here we go with the brisket knife. And I'm gonna cut this chunk off. Oh, slice like butter. I like my cuts thin. And I'm actually kind of doing it wrong. You have this round tip, so you can go like that. I think I'm gonna stick to my method. It smells phenomenal, by the way. It's cutting through it like butter, like I already said. I'm really happy with this. And I'll save you some of the cutting. See, I cooked it too long, but you can see we're here for the knife. You can see how clean that cut is. That is beautiful. And oh, that is good. Check it out. This is a phenomenal knife. Cut-X. It's beautiful. It's awesome. Last, I'm going to say I just washed it. Because this thing is one solid piece, basically, you know, seamless. It took me, I don't know, 2 minutes to wash this thing. Awesome. The little packet has a lot of cool information in it. It's actually really neat to have in there. I thought I'd mention the cover. The cover is this really super hard plastic. This thing is not going to break. And the way it goes in there, it doesn't touch the tip of the blade. The blade goes in, it's sized perfectly, so it goes in the back. So the front doesn't touch. Let's see if I can get light on that. Doesn't touch the front. Extremely well designed. I really like this. I'm gonna go cut some brisket with it right now. And this side is just, I am using very little pressure. Look at that. It's going straight through. This is by far the best knife I've ever had. Like, straight through. And I was picking on my brisket, but man, that is beautiful. Cooked a little too much here. Went too high internal temperature, but I was going for a really long smoke. Amazing.